Hi, my name is Shahabaz Mohammed. I'm from WAGO Middle East. So I'm the sales engineer for WAGO. Our company is headquartered in Germany. So we have been here in the UAE since 2008, and it has been a wonderful journey so far. We are the manufacturer for electrical interconnection, electrical automation, industrial and building. Then we have electronics interface and marking and tools. So we started from electrical interconnection to basically to make two connections without any screw. So we are here for the Semicon 2025 organized by McKinsey Electronics. And our prime focus here is on PCB connectors. We have the same connection which I talked about without any screw for PCBs. So, and this is the best opportunity to showcase our PCB connector. We got a chance to meet with the McKinsey team. It was accidental, and they told us about this event which was about to come up. And we thought it will be the best opportunity to showcase ourselves. And so far, this is a 2 days program, and this is the second day, the last day. It has been great, a new opportunity, a new experience, and hopefully next year too.